If you've lost access to your Reddit account and cannot use your email for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Reddit login page. Go to the Reddit website and click on the login button. This will take you to the login screen where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your username. In the password recovery forum, enter your Reddit username. This is necessary for Reddit to identify your account and begin the recovery process. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you do not have access to your email, look for alternative recovery options. This may include using a phone number linked to your account or answering security questions if you set them up previously. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided. Once you select an alternative recovery method, follow the instructions provided by Reddit. This may involve receiving a verification code via SMS or answering security questions to verify your identity. If these steps do not work, consider reaching out to Reddit support for further assistance. Good luck with your account recovery.